Question 3. A bakery bakes 3 types of bread with monthly costs being this much for these many breads. The cost of baking a loaf of butterscotch bread is 2 ringgit, chocolate bread 3 ringgit, and coconut bread 4 ringgit. Okay, so butterscotch bread, let's call this X, chocolate bread, we'll call it Y, and coconut bread, we'll call it Z. Okay, so here they said the total cost is 6850, and we know each individual cost of the bread. So what we can do is 2 ringgit times X number of butterscotch bread plus 3 ringgit times Y chocolate bread, 4 ringgit times Z will bring us to a total cost of 6850. And then they said total number of bread is 2150 loaves. So we have X plus Y plus Z bread, total will be 2150. Okay. Then the sale prices of these breads are 3 ringgit, 450 and 550. This is the selling price. If the bakery makes a profit of this much, how many loaves of, okay. So they're making a profit of this much. So if you want to find the profit of selling a butterscotch bread, we have to minus the selling price with the cost price. So the profit will be 1 ringgit for butterscotch, and then 450 minus 3 ringgit for chocolate bread, because they're selling at this price but the cost is 3 ringgit. So profit is 150 here, Y, and then coconut bread is 550, cost price is 4 ringgit. So 550 minus 4 is 150. So 150 of Z. Total profit is 2975. So equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. This will be our 3 equations. Done. Okay, from here we need to figure out if we want to solve it using the substitution or elimination. Okay, this is 1x, so I'm just going to call this x. Maybe we can try elimination here. So since this one is 1x and 1x, this is 2x, we can multiply these equations by 2, so that we get 2x, 2x, 2x. Okay, so we say equation 2 we times 2, and then equation 3 also we times 2. So if equation 2 we times 2, all this times 2, we get 2x, 2y, 2z. Is 2150 times 2, 4300. And then equation 3 we times 2, so all this we times 2, we get 2x, 150 times 2 is 3 ringgit, 3z, 2975 times 2, 5950. Alright, so now we have all the equations with 2x. So we can write it like this. This is equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. And then our equation 1 is this. Okay. Done. So now we have 3 equations, all also got 2x, 2x, 2x. So let's call this equation 4, 5, and 6. Alright. Okay. Now from here what we can do is, let's change color lah. Okay, from here what we can do is, we can do equation 4 minus equation 5, and then equation 4 minus equation 6. Okay, why we minus? So that we can get rid of the x's. Okay, equation 4 minus 5, 2x minus 2x cancels off. 3y minus 2y is just y. 4z minus 2z is 2z. And then 6850 minus 4300, 2550. And then this side, equation 4 minus 6, 2x minus 2x cancels off, 3y minus 3y cancels off, 4z minus 3z is just z. This minus this, 900. Nice. So we already got one answer. Z is 900. So now that we got Z is 900, we can sub this into here. So we can say y plus 2 times 900 is 2550. So y will equal to 2550 minus this. 2 times 900 is 1800. $750. Done. So we got y and z. Now we need to figure out x. So you can find x using any equations. Let's just take equation 2 lah. This seems easy. So x plus y plus z is 2150. So x plus 750 plus 900 is 2150. Therefore x is 2150 minus these two, which is 500. Done. So we can conclude it by saying butterscotch bread, they made 500. And then the other one, chocolate bread is 750. And finally, coconut bread is 900. This will be our final answer. Done. That's it. This is how to solve question 3.